gosh, you guys, I'm so tired. I just washed my hair and I'm about to blow dry it. So yeah, I just thought I would show you guys. Oh man. So I'm done with the first section and now I have about 2 more sections to go, maybe 3. But yeah, my hair is blow dried and it feels really good. I mean, I use my Joico shampoo and conditioner. I have the worst migraine ever, you guys. Ugh. So before I blow dry each section, I just go back over and detangle it again and then blow dry. I haven't went swimming none this summer, you guys. Isn't that crazy? Halfway through me blow drying my hair, I'm like, bruh, I should have went to Ulta because I'm just not really feeling it, you guys. Like, I don't feel good today, like whatsoever, but I'm almost done. Oh, hang time. Yes, you guys say what? Don't hurt yourself. I have not went in with any products on my hair. And yeah, I'm done wearing wigs just for the simple fact, like, my edges are not about to be taken out. Like, I have way too many baby hairs. So I've been seeing some pictures floating around the internet and people are like, wet relaxed hair versus wet natural hair. First off, that hair was so damaged. Okay, this is what my wet relaxed hair looks like, and it ain't even all the way wet. My hair is now completely dry and I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron it just because to get the best results, you know, you want to do it right after you blow dry. But I love this heat protectant. This is the Garnier Fructis, so I'm gonna be using that. I'm also gonna be using this Cheese Silk Infusion. This is like a holy grail, and that is what I'll be using to straighten my hair today. Y'all just think how pretty my hair will be with like highlights and caramel lights. But this time, I'm gonna go to a white stylist to get it done because last time, hair fell out and then I had to cut it all off, and that's how we got here. Oh, yes, honey, yeah. Look at that color, like, oh. And let's see the kitchen. What kitchen? Ain't got no naps in my hair. So my hair is coming along. It looks so good. Like, all I know is me doing my hair has made me feel a little bit better, but it still needs a Kavita, a kombucha. I need a drink. I need a probiotic.